Good morning, students. Welcome to the next topic, that is Watson and Crick DNA model, that is duplex model. Okay, which is left in the previous class, that we will continue. I told you nucleic acids exhibit, that is, secondary structures. Nothing but DNA. Okay. DNA gives a secondary structure told by Watson and Crick. DNA is a double helix. Okay. And this was first time given, that is diagram, famous diagram model that is given by Watson and Crick. J.D. Watson and F.H.C. Crick. Second year like the birth that is in 1952, and they got Nobel Prize in 1963, like that. Now, according to them, the DNA structure of the DNA consists of, what is DNA actually? Polynucleotide. Okay. Many nucleotide join. Last class already now phosphodiester bond and bandittu. Okay. So DNA the backbone enaitri phosphate sugar. Actually first ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು sugar and ಎರಡು sugar ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ phosphate bond, phosphodiester. Okay, it is nothing but what? Backbone of DNA. ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, backbone of DNA. Now where the nitrogen bases are now present, simple diagram ಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೈತಿ, ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ ಈ ತರ. For example, this is the DNA structure, double stranded it is. Now this part, I will give a detailed structure also. This part is what? Backbone of DNA. And what are these? These are nothing but nitrogen bases. These are actually what? Perpendicular to backbone. DNA ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರ basis ಯಾವ ತರ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, like this. So DNA, this is one strand, this is other strand, this is one polynucleotide, this is another polynucleotide. Okay. So it is a double stranded molecule. The two strands move in opposite direction. The two strands are anti-parallel to each other. Lines saraya concentrate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Anti-parallel to each other, nothing but that is run in opposite direction. Run in opposite direction. ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣ. 3 to 5 wide, 5 to 3 direction ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ ನೋಡೋಣ. Now the nitrogen bases are present perpendicular and facing inward. Facing inward. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ detailed diagram ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Now I told adenine pair with thymine. What are purine? Adenine and purine ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತವ್ರಿ? Adenine and guanine. pyrimidine ಇಂದಾಗ thymine and cytosine. uracil ಬರ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು DNA ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. uracil RNA ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. In place of T, U is present in RNA. Now this adenine pair with thymine, guanine pair with cytosine in a DNA. Remember, always purine pair with pyrimidine ಅಂತಂದಾಗ purine ಒಳಗ, in purine adenine pair with thymine of pyrimidine, and from the purine guanine pair with the cytosine of pyrimidine. Remember one point, adenine pair with thymine with two hydrogen bonds. ಯಾವ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದಾವ ಇವು? hydrogen bonds, whereas guanine pair with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bonds. These are the 2 hydrogen bonds and these are what? 3 hydrogen bonds. Like, okay. Now adenine pair with thymine with 2 hydrogen bond, guanine pair with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bond. Idu aitu. Now where the adenine is present, simple agi artha madkori. Adenine attached to what? In last class I told you, ikade yaru irtarri, that is nothing but sugar. Hogala, carbon number 1 and this is adenine, double ring structure. Guanine is also double ring structure, whereas pyrimidines are single ring structure. Thymine, cytosine are single ring, hexagonal. Okay, now ikade yaru irtarri, phosphate. Now this is one nucleotide. Like the same, ikade one sugar aithe tilkori ivaga like this. Okay, I will rub this, and again here it is phosphate. Again it is third carbon OH. P. Which bond it is? Phosphodiester. This one ester, phosphodiester. Ikade yaru irtadi, for example G il tagori instead of this G. I will give a neat diagram also now. Idu modali concept artha madko. With 3 hydrogen bond it pair with C, cytosine. Here with 2 hydrogen bond it is pairing with thymine. Now I will rub this. Now here cytosine, I told it is pyrimidine, that is the first carbon of cytosine, that is nothing but cytosine pairs with what? First carbon of sugar. Which sugar it is? Ribose sugar. Nodri iva reverse diagram tegita idini because they both run in opposite direction. Iva nodoಣ. This is sugar and sugar. Here again it will be phosphate bond only. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ತರ. Same phosphodiester. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ for example ಈಗ it is T ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now T will pair with what? Adenine. With how many hydrogen bonds? 2 hydrogen bonds. Simple structure aithe nodkori. Now this I will complete this one. Ikade yaru inna phosphate. Again ee phosphate ikade ester bond yaar jote form agtada? Third carbon of the next ribose sugar. This is third carbon, this is fifth carbon. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೀ? Fifth carbon, third carbon. Fifth again third. Finally ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಫ್ರೀ ಇರ್ತಾರ? Which carbon is free? Fifth. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ carbon free? Third. Direction ಏನೈತಿ? 3 to 5 prime. This one strand. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. This thymine now will join with the carbon number 1 of the ribose sugar. Idu reverse ಯಾಕೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? They move in opposite direction, they are anti-parallel with each other. Now this become third. Yaar join agtare illi? Phosphate. This phosphate will pair with fifth carbon of this sugar. Okay. Again this is third phosphate. Illi yaar irtare ಈಗ? It will pair with another ribose sugar like this. This is the fifth carbon. Now what are these? Ester, diester, phosphodiester bond. Iverade ಏನದಾwi? Phosphodiester. Now this will be what? Third carbon. Okay. And ikade this will be what? Fifth carbon. For example, I will draw extra one here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಇವಾಗ. For example, ಇಲ್ಲಿ T ತಗೋ. Okay. ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ G ತಗೋ. G will pair with what? C, isn't it? Now C here will pair with what? That is ribose sugar. First carbon. Okay. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? Only H because it is deoxy. The second carbon, from the second carbon what is eliminated? O, removed. Deoxygenation ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ. Now phosphate, again the phosphate pair with fifth carbon of ribose sugar. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಫ್ರೀ ಅದಾರ ಈಗ? Third carbon. Now remember, ಇದು 3 to 5 ಆಯಿತು this strand. Now what is this? 4 ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ್ರಿ, ಡೈನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್, ಟ್ರೈನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್, ಟೆಟ್ರಾನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್. You know, this is for example ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ, fifth phosphate ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, now this carbon is fifth only. Now this one is considered as nucleotide 1, this is nucleotide second, third, fourth. It is now polynucleotide. One strand idu. This is a one polynucleotide strand having polarity or orientation 3 to 5 prime. ಈ ಕಡೆ nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate. ಇದೇನೈತ್ರಿ, one nucleotide. This is another nucleotide, mononucleotide, dinucleotide, tri, tetra, like that, polynucleotide. Its DNA is what? Double stranded molecule, but it is twisted, nothing but helix. Adu nodona, spiral like structure it is. Now idu direction eitri 3 to 5, 3 to 5, but in this direction. Now one strand, when you observe from this side, it is having the polarity or orientation 3 to 5, whereas this is having 5 to 3 prime. Why the 5 and 3 number is coming here? Here the third carbon is free, that is free. Here fifth carbon will be free. Okay, moiety antarada. That is having fifth carbon free, 3 to 5. Ee kade third carbon free is this side and fifth carbon is this side. This is called 5 to 3 prime. 5 to 3. This is 3 to 5. It means they are moving in reverse direction. That is, this is 5 to 3 and this is 3 to 5. This is 5 to 3. And sugar is reverse here. That is nothing but they move anti-parallel with each other, run with each other. In which direction? Opposite direction. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ anti-parallel. Now remember, sugar and phosphate is formed what? Backbone of DNA. Sugar, phosphate, sugar. Sugar, phosphate, sugar. Sugar, phosphate, sugar. Sugar, phosphate, sugar. It is called what? Backbone of DNA. Whereas nitrogen bases are what? Perpendicular. Okay, like this. Like this. Now two hydrogen base between adenine, thymine. ಅಥವಾ thymine, adenine, vice versa. Complementarity ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Complementarity principle. Then guanine, cytosine ಅಥವಾ guanine, cytosine ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಇರಬಹುದು with 3 hydrogen bond. This is nothing but complementarity rule. It means what? If you know the sequence of one strand, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. Isn't it? It is again in detail for the 12th standard. Chargaff's law ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Amount of purine is always equal to amount of pyrimidine. Amount of adenine always equal to amount of thymine. Amount of guanine always equal to amount of cytosine. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, if we know the base sequence of one strand, this is one polynucleotide strand. If we know the base sequence of one polynucleotide strand, we can guess the base sequence of the opposite strand. Opposite strand. Remember, these are complementary with each other, not identical. Identical ilri, complementary anta helbeku. Okay, adenine pair with thymine. This is the rule, fixed one. Okay, in every organism. So DNA is a double stranded molecule. Now ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೋ ತರ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಒನ್. DNA is a double stranded molecule. This is the diagram. DNA is a double strand molecule. Remember, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? This is nothing but sugar. Sugar, phosphate and sugar. One strand. Let us say this is 3 to 5 prime. How it is moving? Twisted around each other. The two polynucleated strands of a DNA, they are twisted around each other like that staircase, helix, steps irthavalri, that is railing. Okay, now, and this is for example 5 to 3, same structure twist form the vehicle, idu artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now these are what? ಏನದವರು ಇವು? nitrogen bases. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿರ್ತದೆ 9, which is hidden due to twisted. Okay, this is right handed type of DNA, this is B type of DNA ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Now remember, this strand is moving 3 to 5 direction and again 5 to 3 direction. How they are? Nitrogen bases are arranged perpendicular to the backbone. Backbone of DNA is this one. Perpendicular iradari nitrogen bases. Here staircase ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ railing is formed of backbone. Side railing is formed of backbone. Steps are what? Nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Adenine pair with what? Thymine with how many hydrogen bonds? 2. It means ಈ ಕಡೆ adenine ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಶುಗರ್ ಗ. I will write yes. Thymine ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿರ್ತದ? ಶುಗರ್. Yes. Now this sugar again joined with the other sugar with which bond? Phosphodiester bond. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ರಿ? Sugar. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು? Phosphate. So total backbone is forming of what? Sugar, phosphate, sugar. Sugar, phosphate, sugar. Like that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ which bond? Phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? Sugar plus nitrogen base ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಬಾಂಡ್. I told in the last class N-glycosidic bond. Here adenine pair with thymine with how many hydrogen bonds? 2 hydrogen bonds. For example, say here this sugar attached with what? Guanine. Only sugar and guanine nitrogen base ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕ? ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯಾರು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದಾರ್ರಿ? ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್. Nitrogen base sugar plus phosphate nucleotide. Now this will pair with what? Having 3 hydrogen bonds pair with cytosine. Now this cytosine pair with sugar. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ? Nitrogen base sugar phosphate. Now this is formed one nucleotide. Like, but it is in reverse direction because ಯಾವ ತರ ಐತ್ರಿ ಆ sugar? ಈ ತರ. But ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ sugar just assume ether. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರ? 3, ಈ ಕಡೆ 5th. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5th, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3rd. This is 5 to 3. This strand is 3 to 5. How they are arranged? Twisted. They are moving in which direction? Anti-parallel. Means one strand is 3 to 5, another strand is 5 to 3. Nitrogen bases are perpendicular to the backbone. Adenine pair with thymine with 2 hydrogen bond, guanine pair with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bond. Means purine always pairs with pyridine. In case now ee kade C idre, it will pair with what? G of the opposite strand. Illi yaru irtari? Matta sugar. Like that. I will continue here. Again ee kade suppose T idre, it will pair with what? Thymine with 2 hydrogen bond. Again it will be yes, sugar. Illi yaru bantri? Phosphate. Again here it is phosphate. It is nothing but adenine pair with thymine or thymine pair with adenine. Vice versa. Vice versa. Okay. Now so total this is about DNA. Now we will note on a detail the distance. Right? Remember DNA completes its one term at a distance of 34 angstrom. I will draw again a clear diagram. Idu tegidini. For example, ಇಲ್ಲೇರದ ಏನೈತಿ ರಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್. ಇದ್ರ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. Now you know DNA turns, it is a helix. It completes one turn at a distance that is 34 angstrom. 34 angstrom. One helix of DNA has 10 base pairs. BPS means base pairs. 10 base pairs. Every night, that is adenine guanine line. For example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, DNA completes its one turn at which length? 34 angstrom ಅಥವಾ ಇದು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು 3.4 ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟರ್. 10 times less. ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3.4 nm. Now 10 base pair ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? Distance between the each base pair or each step of this staircase. Okay. Distance ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇದು? ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. What is that? 3.4 angstrom. ಅಥವಾ nm ದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 0.34 nm. 3.4 into 10 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 34 angstrom. 0.34 into 10 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ nm ಒಳಗ 3.4 nm. ಓಕೆ, nm ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ angstrom ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎನ್ಸಿಆರ್ಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ angstrom ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. Now 34 angstrom. Distance between these one. Now each step or nitrogen base turn have a degree by 36 degree. It turns at an angle of 36 degree. It means a one pitch of DNA. This is called pitch of DNA. Pitch of DNA helix. Length ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? 34 angstrom. It means 36 into 10, 360 degree. Now I will write separately. Distance between each base pair equal to 3.4 angstrom. Angle of turn of one base pair is equal to 36 angstrom. Idu into 10 madri, it will give 34 angstrom, at which DNA completes its one turn. Idu turn irthude, one turn, right handed turn, it is B form of DNA. Now 36 into 10 madri, one turn olaga ಎಷ್ಟು angle ಆಗಿರ್ತದ? 360 degree. That is an angle. Okay, now after this, which type of DNA it is? Right handed coiling. Nothing but B form. FOR. B type of DNA it is. In the higher classes, nothing but in the 12th standard, you are supposed to learn again the many forms of DNA like A DNA, B DNA, BL3 ಐತಿ, B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಐತಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರೋದು B ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ ದಾಗ ಇರೋದು B ಫಾರ್ಮ್. A DNA, B DNA, C DNA, D DNA and Z DNA. What is the main difference? Number of base pairs. Okay, and coiling. Z DNA is having left-handed coiling. Okay, whereas A, B these are again right handed coiling like that. Okay, ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. A B C D ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, dozens of DNA will study in the higher classes like that. So A B C D and Z, these are the types, but now we ಓದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? B form of DNA having polarity, for example 3, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 5, and this is 3 here, 5 here due to carbon number. So this is about total the structure of DNA. What is the charge of DNA? negative charge due to what? Phosphate. Then due to phosphate. And DNA is acidic due to what? Again phosphate. Isn't it? DNA is negatively charged and DNA is acidic due to, that is common reason, phosphate. After this, coming to the second type of nucleic acid, RNA. DNA is the genetic material. Nam genetic information edrolaga store agidirtadri ee base pair olaga. The base pairs are different in different individuals. Ee base pair enadavri, that is the main thing which stores our genetic information and why we appear like our parents. Now parents tara navu yak kaaniಸ್ತೀವಿ? Resembling, variations irtava, exact ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, for in case of murder case, that is rape case or children disputes, okay, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಅದರೊಳಗ CID lab में जो भी रहता है ಅದರೊಳಗ ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಗ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾರ್ರಿ? only on the basis of nitrogen basis. Okay, that is it DNA genetic material, it transfers generation from information from generation to generation. It is the molecular basis of heredity. DNA is the molecular basis of heredity, nothing but genetic material in most of the organisms. Double stranded. This model given by Watson and Crick in 1952, for which they got Nobel Prize in 1963. DNA present in what? Of course, nucleic acids are present in nucleus. Nenetirli matte idu. Nucleic acids are present in nucleus. Okay. Now macromolecules. After that, coming to second type, RNA. Full form enri? Ribonucleic acid. Because illiruvanta sugar hegayiti with having oxygen, one more oxygen compared to DNA. At which carbon? Second carbon. Okay, it will remove agangilla. RNA genetic material in viruses. Like what? TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus. Now, single stranded molecule. Chargaff's law iವಾಗ just explain ಮಾಡೋತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Means adenine always pair with thymine and guanine always pair with cytosine. Athwa thymine always pair with adenine and cytosine always pair with guanine with 2 and 3 hydrogen bond. That is nothing but the given rule is scientist, that is Chargaff. Erwin Chargaff in 1950 told this rule first time, and the rule is called base equivalence rule. Okay, complementarity rule. And that rule is only applicable for double stranded molecule, nothing but DNA. And Chargaff's rule is not followed to RNA because RNA is single stranded. Chargaff's law, second year single stranded molecule. It is double stranded also. DS under double stranded, short one. Okay, double stranded in reovirus. ಇದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿವೋ virus and rice dwarf virus. In these two viruses, RNA is double stranded. Double stranded. Now, RNA acts as genetic material in the viruses. Again, types of RNA note kori. Actually, which RNA? Non-genetic now. Non-genetic RNA num body ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, which do not act as genetic material, but it is having main important function like protein synthesis. Protein synthesis ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರ್ರಿ? RNA. That is one. Okay. ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಐತಿ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಲೈನ್, that is protein synthesis. Central dogma of molecular biology ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. That is one. So central dogma of molecular biology ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? DNA ಲಿಂದ RNA ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತದೆ, RNA ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? You know from this chapter, protein ಎದರಿಂದ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಆರ್ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಮಿನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಯಾವ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಡಿಎನ್ಎ ಕೈದಾಗ ಐತದು ಡಿಎನ್ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಎನ್ಎ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಂಥೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಎನ್ಎ produces RNA it means message of DNA transferred into this RNA hence this RNA is called mRNA messenger RNA ಈ RNA ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ DNA ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಏನೈತಿ AGCT adenine guanine cytosine thymine like that ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ ಈ RNA then it produce protein AGCT ಪ್ರಕಾರ based on the sequence of nitrogen bases amino acids are joined in the protein chain polypeptide chain so transcription idu kanta transcription formation of RNA mRNA from DNA is called transcription formation of protein from mRNA is called translation idu ella second year dage just heading through it that is this is called central dogma of molecular biology okay now this takes place in nucleus because DNA present in nucleus transcription takes place in nucleus whereas translation takes place in the cytoplasm protein factory are the ribosome cell chapter da ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ribosome ಹತ್ರ ಈ RNA ಹೋಗಿ protein form ಆಗ್ತದ that is one. So this is for your higher classes non genetic RNA ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರಾ which will not act genetic material as genetic material in our body first mRNA ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಏನ್ರಿ messenger RNA in our body it constitutes 5 to 10% only 5 to 10% of total cellular RNA total ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗ ಅಥವಾ ಇಡೀ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ okay ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ RNA 3 ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ mRNA tRNA RNA the proportion of mRNA is 5 to 10% second function ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು it brings the information from DNA ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ for protein synthesis then coming to tRNA transfer RNA it is also called soluble RNA soluble RNA what it function ಏನಿದೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು during translation protein synthesis cytoplasm ದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಿನಾಗ it selects the amino acid very important function ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇದು adaptive RNA ಕೂಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ adapter molecule because it adapts the amino acids and joins for the protein synthesis ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ collects amino acid ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ types of RNA mRNA tRNA rRNA ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಲುವಾಗ ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದಾಗ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು rRNA ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರೈಬೋಸೋಮಲ್ RNA ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದು ಎದರೊಳಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಬೋಸೋಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ರೈಬೋಸೋಮ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ that is one 70s 80s ribosome prokaryote ಒಳಗ 70s eukaryote ಒಳಗ 80s like that so rRNA is nothing but ribosomal RNA structural component of ribosome what is ribosome protein factory now it is about 80% of total RNA 80% of total RNA tRNA is 10 to 15% of total RNA total RNA ನ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದರ 5 to 10% ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು mRNA 10 to 15% ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು tRNA rRNA ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಮೇಜರ್ because where there is ribosome there is rRNA ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ರೈಬೋಸೋಮ್ ತಯಾರಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ವಸ್ತು ಯಾವುದು rRNA ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ total ribosome total RNA type ನೋಡಿದಾಗ so this is total about types of RNA DNA structure ಆದ ನಂತರ types of RNA is a single stranded structure except these two it is double in these viruses Now, so these are what, which type of RNA? Non-genetic RNA. Genetic RNA ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತವ್ರಿ viruses. ಇವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Genetic ಏನು? No. These are acting in our body as non-genetic RNA. Like that. So this is total about nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. I hope you understood. Okay. So in the next class we will come with the next topic. That is again very interesting it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ದು micromolecule and end up to this one nucleic acid ಅಂದ್ರೆ macromolecule. Complete ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. This chapter is very important as well as basic as well as easy. ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ನೆನಪಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿರ್ತವ. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಇದು ಆಗಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕ 4-5 ಸಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. And why it is important for NEET exam? This portion is also important, first year as well as second. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸಲುವಾಗ. ಸೊ ರೀಡ್ ವೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. NCERT ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಕೊಡಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಅಂಡ್ NCERT ಲೈನ್ ಟು ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆದಷ್ಟು NCERT ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು. Line to line I am following the NCERT here for your easy preparation, because more than 80% of the questions are going to be asked in the NEET exam from NCERT as it is. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ NCERT ಒಳಗೆ ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರ್ರಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ read well. In the next class we will start with the next topic. Till then, read well. Thank you.